Why does she keep saying, what's wrong with this thing?
Right. You chicken.
It says cover's not open, but it's still recording.
Oh, look at it.
I got it.
You might have Nakita there, but if you start raking or sweeping, oh my God.
The buddies.
I'm gonna catch him for the country.
I know.
Calm down now.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, play with me, and Nakita. Oh.
He bite his butt. Oh, it's on now. You playing with my toys?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want them, but you can't have them. You better watch it, make sure they don't fight.
Look at his little talent flag, and he ain't even got one.
I know. His little nub.
Nakita don't like sharing.
He's not doing too bad, though. He hasn't killed him over touching his toys yet.
I think you gotta have a lab and shit. Let them share.
I know. Nakita. Best buds.
See how he hops behind Nakita.
What is that, big tree you got?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you get it from, Mom?
No.
Oh, you bought it? Why don't you just take a clipper from there? Where'd you find it?
I didn't know that hers was still alive.
Your name on the wall. That's why everybody plants them up against their houses.
Well, we got it.
That radiant heat off the bridge.
That's what it says.
We got to let it get a little bit bigger. He'll eat it. He'll tear it up.
His dad, you know, it's like you planted it too close to the house. You got to keep them trim, but his is, you have a couple of steps there against the house. Good. Eventually get big enough. And you know, the branches are good. We can cut them now before they get all the leaves. Branches are good for like grilling out.
Yeah, chip them up and smoke it.
It'd be too much trouble.
Oh, God!
Did he bite you?
Tell him
Bit
to
my
like it.
chin.
Don't stick it out too much.
God.
Just tell him kisses, and he'll give you a little lick. But that's it. If you leave it out there, he will slap it.
Yeah, he got me on
Got me one night, man. Trying to think. I mean, are those panels removable?
No, he made it off.
Yeah, I know, but there's not a lot of links.
It's getting rough now.
Still thinking if they were.
Nakita.
It's still too big. It is that house right there.
Yeah, it's too close to, trying to...
Yeah, I don't like that some stuff.
It could still come towards the house.
You could get it to land right in the center, but